Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I know y'all are like, where has she been? Look, I am doing my best to just keep up with everything. And so I have not been able to record a full video from start to finish. So I'm just going to give you guys what I have, and hopefully the videos that I put out, you guys can find them helpful. So anyways, this video right here is going to be on a knotless wig that I did. I'm sorry, I did talk through the first intro of this, but I am going to show you guys again how to do the knotless braid. It's really not that much different on a wig, versus doing it on an actual person. Besides the basic, like, make sure that the area that you're working in is flat, and they can be achieved using the T-pins. Y'all are gonna see a lot of baby girl. This is my niece. She is literally always around, always wherever I am when I'm working, she's there. Okay, so here it goes. I'm just gonna show you guys how to start a knotless braid. What I do is I braid down maybe like 3 times before I add in a piece of hair. Depending on the size of the braid, that's going to determine how much hair I add in. These were medium, I believe. And so I start out with medium pieces of hair. I don't start out with tiny pieces of hair and then gradually go bigger. I always use the same size from the top to the bottom. And I think I think these were only 24. They were normally between 24 and 30 inches is the normal length that I braid these down. And I guess right here I was just trying to get you guys a clip of the braid down. And sometimes I do have to add in pieces of hair to the bottom because I try to make the braids the same length all the way around. So sometimes it is necessary to braid the hair down. Now this is a blooper, and while I was editing this video, I said, you know what? Let me keep this part in here just so they can see that I try my best to put out, good content and good videos that like straight to the point, but it's not easy. Like, it is not easy. I'm working so hard. Mind you that my kids were homeschooled all last year, and I had a newborn baby, and I was in school, and I was in my first year of running my business. So it's been hectic, but I've been keeping up and hanging on. Okay, so I got off topic. I'm sorry. Right here, I'm doing the edges. I go according to the customer. If the customer asks for no edges, it won't be any baby hairs left out. If they ask for me to customize them, I will customize them. If they want them sparse, not a lot of hair, or if they want them heavy on the edges, then that's what I do. So, excuse me, you will see there is a variation in how the styles turn out, and that's based upon the customer. And that's part of the reason why I call them why I say that I do custom wigs, because some wigs are full lace, and the full lace that I use, it comes in the standard medium size. So as far as that, the size isn't custom, but they do come with combs and adjustable bands. But for like the closure wigs and the frontal wigs, if the customer provide their measurements, their head measurements, then I can make the wig custom to their exact head size. If they do not, I just use my standard measurements. So I try to customize them by the size of the braids they want, the color braiding hair that they want, how they want the edges, and things like that. I try to make it as personalized as I can, and I do my very best to satisfy my customers. I only use my foam wrap. There are a few others that I have. I like Nairobi, um, and I like Tropical Roots foam wrap. But this is my foam wrap is the only one that I use when I'm styling my wigs, and that's mainly because it holds so well. Like it has a good hold, and I know that if they ask for customizing on their baby hairs, that I can style them and it'll still be intact when it makes it to my customer. And it has like a sticky texture to it. So once I get done with this part right here, I have to go and wash my hands. And but anyways, after I do the edges, I wrap it down, and I either wrap it down or blow dry it, and I let it I just let it sit until it dries. I dip the ends and then I let it dry. I'm gonna have to try to get a video of dipping the ends too. So this is after I've done the styling, after I've dipped the ends and everything. I still go back in and trim off any flyaway hairs because there's always going to be flyaway hairs. I see people with pictures and I do not know how they get their braids so perfect with no flyaway hairs. But for me, I definitely do that step 2 or 3 times before it is sent off to my customers. And this is the ending result. I try to get a lot of videos, a lot of pictures and everything because some people are, shy and they don't want to be pictured or whatever. So I try to make sure I get all the videos and pictures that I can get before I have to send the wigs off. And I definitely do pray that my wigs are going to grateful homes and that they will be taken care of because I put a lot of love, care, and passion into them. And, I just want to make sure that they're being appreciated and not just thrown around. So here I am again, just getting some extra footage of the wig. I love these. I love the Knotless wig so much, and I'm just patiently waiting for the chance that I can make one for myself. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.